I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Airtel account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the process, make sure you have your account details handy, such as your phone number, account number, and any identification documents. Step 2. Visit the Airtel website. Go to the official Airtel website and navigate to the customer service section. Look for the option related to account closure or deactivation. Step 3. Fill out the closure form. Complete the online form for account closure, providing all necessary details. Double-check your information to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Confirm your request. After submitting the form, you'll receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided in that message. Step 5. Visit an Airtel store if needed. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Airtel.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you have any outstanding dues, you'll need to settle those before your account can be closed. Good luck with your account closure, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.